Hi, salut, servus and salve. Welcome if you are new here or welcome back, my friend. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet these fingerless gloves, these fingerless mittens. This is a very quick project, so you need about an hour and a half to have this done, and this is a great addition to everyone's wardrobe. And before we get started, please make sure to be subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share this with your friends, ring the bell so you get notified every time I upload something new, and leave me a snowball emoji into the comments down below. So for my today's project, I'm going to use this furry shimmer cake right here. This is a size medium, a 5mm crochet hook. You're also going to need a pair of scissors and yarn needle. Okay, so take your yarn and your crochet hook, and to get started you are going to make a magic ring, pull up a loop and chain 4. This counts as a double crochet and as a 1 chain space in between. Into the magic ring for round 1 you are going to make 7 double crochets with a 1 chain space in between. At the end you should have actually 8 double crochets and 1 chain space in between, since the chain of 4 counts as a double crochet and as a 1 chain space. Now go ahead and close the magic ring. So my yarn is very fuzzy. Okay, and now you are going to slip stitch to your 3rd chain and then slip stitch into the next available 1 chain space, like so. Now for round 2 you are going to chain 3. This counts as a double crochet, and into the same 1 chain space make 2 more double crochets. Chain 1 and go to the next 1 chain space and make 3 double crochets in there. So this is going to be your pattern repeat. In each 1 chain space from round 1 you are going to make 3 double crochets and then a 1 chain in between. Repeat all the way around for round 2. So at the end of the 2nd round you should have 8 double crochet clusters in total with a 1 chain space in between, and of course also at the end of the round you are going to chain 1. Now go ahead and slip stitch to your 3rd chain to close this 2nd round, and then slip stitch into the next available 1 chain space. For round 3 you are going to chain 3. This counts as a double crochet, and we are going to turn now the circle into a square, so we are going to start right away by making the corner. So make 2 more double crochets into your same space and then chain 2 and 3 more double crochets into the same 1 chain space. 1, 2 and 3. Now you are going to chain 1 and then go to the next available 1 chain space and make 3 double crochets in there. Chain 1. Now we are going to make the 2nd corner, so into the next 1 chain space make the 2nd corner, which is 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 more double crochets into the same 1 chain space. Chain 1. The next 1 chain space make your double crochet cluster, so which is 3 double crochets. Chain 1. Now make the 3rd corner, so 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 more double crochets into the same 1 chain space. chain 1. Next it's going to be 3 double crochets into the next 1 chain space, chain 1, make your 4th corner, chain 1, 3 double crochets into the next 1 chain space, then you are going to chain 1 and slip stitch to your 3rd chain to close round 3. Okay, now at the end of the round you are going to slip stitch into the next 1 chain space, which is again your corner. So chain 3 to step up, this is first double crochet, then 2 more double crochets into the same 1 chain space, chain 2 and another 3 double crochets into the same 1 chain space. So this is your first corner. Now you are going to chain 1 again and work in between your clusters. So into these 1 chain spaces, make each a cluster with a 1 chain space in between, 1, 2 and 3 double crochets, chain 1 and make the second corner, which is 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets into the same 1 chain space, chain 1 and make the double crochet clusters in between. So this is round 4. At the end of the round you are going to slip stitch to your 3rd chain and then slip stitch to the next available 1 chain space and start the 5th round with the corner and then working in between the clusters, second corner in between the clusters, and I'll meet you back again once I'm at the end of round 5. Okay, now at this point I'm at the end of round 5. Now I want to give you some measurements. So my square measures 16 centimeters in total. When I'm measuring the palm, I need to have 18 centimeters. So it's not that snug, but it is enough. 18 centimeters. Now if you're working with another yarn, like a thinner yarn and a smaller crochet hook, you need to add probably another round of the granny stitch with 1 chain space in between. And if you have a similar yarn and also a 5mm crochet hook and the same measurements like I do, all you need to do now for round 6 is you are going to chain 1. This doesn't count as a stitch, and we are going to make half double crochets in each stitch. So you will have here 3 half double crochets, since you have 3 double crochets at the bottom. And now into the corner, into this 1 chain space, make 3 half double crochets. That's it, 1, 2, 3. And now again you are going to make 1 half double crochet on top of each double crochet from the previous row and 1 half double crochet into the 1 chain space from the previous row. And then once you've reached your second corner, you are going to make 3 half double crochets in there. So I'm going to work all the way around, and then I'm going to show you how to close the fingerless mitten so that you have space for the thumb, and also how to finish off the edging. So I kind of missed one footage, so probably I deleted this without knowing. So what I've done is I slip stitch 6 stitches. So this is the top of my mitten. I slip stitch 6 stitches, then I left for the thumb a hole, which are 4 stitches in total, and then I rejoin my yarn down here and slip stitch 12 stitches. So the next clip is going to be when I am here. So you need to close first the fingerless mitten. So here 6 stitches, here for the hole and 12 down here. Okay, so I've also closed this side right here. Now I've already chained one. Now I'm going to go into the next stitch and make a single crochet and then one single crochet in each stitch all the way around. So we are going to make first one round of single crocheting around the edging. Once you're at the end of the round, you are going to slip stitch to your very first stitch that you've made and then chain one to step up, make one single crochet into the next two stitches, and this is going to be the last round. And then you are going to chain 3 and make a picot, which is slip stitch into the very first chain that you've made. Then single crochet 2, 1 and 2, and now make another picot. 1, 2, 3, slip stitch into the first chain and single crochet 2, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make your picot. That's all you need to do for the entire round. Once you're at the end of the round, you are just going to slip stitch to your first stitch, chain 1, fasten off, and then you are going to go on the top of the fingerless mitten and first reattach your yarn, of course, then make one round of single crocheting and then one round of 2 single crochets and 1 picot, and that's it. And this is how they are looking like. They are soft, they are cozy, they are snug, and I'm definitely going to wear this tonight since it is already very cold and windy here in Switzerland. So this is a great addition to everyone's wardrobe. Thank you all for watching and for joining me today yet for another tutorial. Have a great rest of the day and I'll see you soon with a new one. Bye!